Hello and welcome to vlog number 66. This week I'm going to talk some more about natural treatments and remedies for Parkinson's disease. I have read a lot of information about magnesium, some good, some bad and some very misleading. Some alternative health websites say that magnesium deficiency is implicated in neurological conditions such as Parkinson's and MS. And I also read that it is essential for the production of dopamine and protects dopaminergic neurons from degeneration. Yet, I found a post on forums.webmd.com where a doctor had posted, in response to a question, "I know of no evidence to support magnesium supplements as treatment for PD." I did find a publication on the National Library of Medicine website entitled "Role of Cellular Magnesium in Human Diseases" that states, "Magnesium plays a key role in the activation of nervous system sympathetic activity. Magnesium deficiency has been shown to impair the affinity of serotonin and angiotensin II for their receptors, and that when a group of patients was supplemented, a great improvement in neurons overexcitation and in reasoning coherence was observed, suggesting that deficient magnesium intake greatly impaired these functions." It then concluded that it cannot be excluded that magnesium may play a role in various neurological states ranging from Parkinson's disease to mood disorders. On the various online forums and groups that I'm subscribed to, I know that magnesium supplementation is often recommended for restless leg syndrome and sleeping problems. Before my PD was diagnosed, I was consulting a private doctor over suspected mercury poisoning from my dental amalgam fillings, and she told me that my blood test showed that I was deficient in magnesium and that magnesium is used by the body in the removal of heavy metals. Since heavy metals are implicated in Parkinson's, then it seems reasonable to supplement magnesium. Iodine, like magnesium, is essential to a healthy nervous system, dopamine production and the chelation or removal of heavy metals. Researcher and author Dr. James Hammerstein states, "A lack of iodine may be involved in the production of Parkinson's disease, and certainly the private doctor that I consulted told me that I was deficient in iodine, which I should supplement, and further that I should avoid fluoride toothpaste because fluoride displaces iodine from receptors that iodine would normally bind to." So iodine supplementation seems to be a reasonable thing to do also. Omega-3 fatty acids appear to be neuroprotective for a number of neurological conditions, but there haven't been any studies in PD patients that address whether they are neuroprotective. A 2008 study by De Silva et al., however, showed that supplementing omega-3 fatty acids reduced depression in Parkinson's patients. Current research tends to concentrate on the fatty acid docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA. DHA is an essential factor in brain growth and development and has anti-inflammatory potential. DHA has also been shown to protect neurons and reduce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in dopaminergic cells in the brains of mice. A 2003 study by Samadi et al. Showed that short-term supplementation of DHA reduced levodopa-induced dyskinesia in Parkinsonian primates by up to 40%. Additionally, a reduction in Parkinsonian behaviours and raised levels of dopamine were observed in rodents that have been supplemented with omega-3 fatty acids. More research on DHA supplementation in Parkinson's patients is required to see whether it could slow disease progression. Green tea, which is widely considered to have beneficial effects on health, may also protect brain cells, according to a 2007 study published in Biological Psychiatry. The study examined the effect of green tea polyphenols in an animal model of PD and found that they protect dopamine neurons and that this protective effect increases in line with the amount of green tea consumed. Some people with Parkinson's have reported an improvement in symptoms by incorporating probiotics into their diet. This comes on the heels of a 2016 study reported on the website www.nhs.uk that found that gut bacteria were related to a greater decline in motor function in a mouse model of Parkinson's disease. Researchers suggest that the presence of certain gut bacteria could cause the build-up of toxic alpha-synuclein proteins, characteristic of PD. Although the study doesn't prove that Parkinson's is a disorder of the gut that could potentially be treated or prevented by administering antibiotics or probiotics, that doesn't appear to have stopped people from including probiotics in their dietary arsenal. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial to health, particularly the digestive system. I make my own kefir and consume it on a daily basis. Kefir is a fermented milk drink, similar to yogurt, that is packed with friendly bacteria and yeasts. Sauerkraut is, similarly, a fermented food that is good for your gut flora, and this is something that I have made previously and which I will make again. Other probiotic foods include kombucha, which is a fermentation of black tea, live yogurt, apple cider vinegar and fermented gherkins. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or have a topic that you'd like me to cover in future vlogs, just leave me a message in the comments and I'll do my best to respond. Have a great week. See you next Friday.